All right. Let's go. Got it hooked. Raising it up some. Got the handle on the bottom. All right, let it sit there a second. The Tote has just under 60 pounds of weight in it, and it's almost horizontal with 60 pounds. The less weight it has, the more it's going to tip up on the front. But the handle is easily, just grab the handle and tilt it the way you need to have it tilted. The black and blue arrow hose are hooked to the air balancer, and the integrity of the Tote is good now since we added these pads here on the outside edges.